So I'm Max Armstrong, and I'm the technical lead for building ScumBot.
I'm Alexandra Prue. I was the administrative lead for the Catlin Gabel InvenTeam.
All right, could you guys tell me about your invention?
All right. So the invention is an aquatic robot designed to take surface vegetation out of small lakes, small to medium-sized lakes and ponds, and then move it to shore where it can be either disposed of or used for some other purpose. So it's made for cleaning, mostly.
Perfect. What big roadblocks did you guys run across during the process? One big one in specific?
Yeah, so one of the bigger problems we faced is that our GPS did not work. So it was originally going to be autonomous, and so since the GPS didn't work, we're still working through that process right now, and it's not currently autonomous, although we hope it eventually will be. Also, during our testing, we ran into a transmission failure because the paddle wheels were too large, and so we took them down from 48 inches in diameter to 34 inches.
All right, how do you guys delegate the duties, delegate the work within your team?
So our team was broken up into different managers that dealt with different departments. We had a manager for software, who was Vincent Miller. We had a manager for electronics. I was a manager for mechanical. Alexandra was the administrative manager, and then we had communications and financial managers. And they had people working beneath them that helped out, and everyone kind of delegated the duties.
All right, what was your favorite part of the inventing process and the invention process in general?
For me, the favorite part was working through the design thinking process from the Stanford D School. We had a workshop at our school last year done by Ralph King, and so going through that process throughout the full year with the real invention for me was incredible, just learning how to build something and learning how to collaborate with other people.
All right, did you guys have a big aha moment? You know, like a Eureka?
So at least when we were working through this design, we were in Sun River, Oregon, which is where our target customer is. And so we spent a long time thinking of a bunch of different designs, and some were like squirters that would remove it, others were kind of bulldozers that would push it, and then we kind of realized at a certain point that it would be completely impractical to have something overly complex, and so we settled on this design just kind of all unanimously because it was the most simplistic thing we could think of, and it was just kind of this moment at which we kind of agreed it was reasonable.
All right, where do you guys plan to go with this? What are you doing now?
So we're planning to take it back to Sun River, which is where we originally formulated the idea and where our original target customer is. We'll leave it in Lake Aspen with the local FRC team, and we're especially excited about this because we're spreading InvenTeams and we're giving them an idea and a project that's already started so that they can carry it on in the future. And next year we're really excited because we're going to start another invention of our own all over again. Continuous
improvement is key. All right, so if you guys could summarize this whole process in one word, this whole experience in one word.
You can go first.
Do you have one word?
Sure. I would say challenge.
Yeah, I would have to go with challenge. It's
Was
also
the challenge worth it?
Yeah, playing behind me is our first test. Is a video of our first test, and it actually was incredibly successful. Where the robot drove around and actually picked things up, and I think it was a very tough process, but being able to actually have it function and do it at the end was really rewarding.
Perfect. Thanks for your time, guys.
Thank you.